All right, and so kind of pull a little piece out in the front. I'm just gonna make this like, I'm just going in and kind of pinching and pulling to just kind of like loosen everything out and not make it so tight. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing over here to the next side. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of pull these guys out. I find that if I do that kind of like in the end, sometimes they're a little bit hard to get out. So I like this part big, you guys know this, so do that mid-ear and all the way to the back of that section. I'm gonna kind of make sure and put this one down on that side so it kind of goes a little bit close to my face, and then we'll start tilting it back towards the back of the head. Might have got too much out of this. That's okay though. Hold on just a second. Let me finish this. And then back to the back. Shh, hold on. Twice, pull it, pinch it, and pull. And we're gonna just take and do one more. I feel like this side always ends up getting like more braided and more loops when I'm doing like a French braid or I'm doing these bubble braids like this, just because like there's more hair on this side. So all right, and then grab that last section, grab your band and tuck it, fold it, keep those ends in, go through, pull out. This part's a little hard actually.
I don't want them to be.
Okay, hold on.
I want to do it now.
Okay, hold on.
I want it to
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go back through.
Right now.
Okay, shh.
Right now.
Okay.
Right now.
No, hold on.
Right now. Right now.
Yeah, hold on. This is Mom Life at its finest. And then I'm just literally going through and like pinching and pulling, and there we have it, a super fun lived-in